Hi everyone, my name is James and I'm one of the founders of Synap. Synap is an intelligent online revision tool that helps medical students to learn more in less time by engaging with multiple choice questions and then creating a personalized learning plan for them based on their strengths and weaknesses. We've been really excited over the last few years to be working with the Medical Defence Union to offer this as a solution to their medical students and junior doctor members across the country so that more people can benefit from what we've got to offer. Today, in this short video, we're going to be talking about one of the key revision strategies that is really central to what we do at Synap, but it's something that you can take advantage of just in your day-to-day revision, whether you're using a different tool or whether you're studying with flashcards, just with a pen and paper. So what we're talking about is spaced learning. The core concept of this is something that's very simple and intuitive and something that you're probably just doing naturally already. So the core idea is that you're more likely to remember something for longer term and more robustly if you see it frequently. You come across a lot of different points of information every day. You can't possibly remember all of it. So one of the key ways that your brain decides how to prioritize that information is by whether it's something that it's seeing regularly. Because if you're seeing it often, it must be important. So this happens naturally in the medical course because you're going to come across a particular condition, first off in a textbook, then maybe in a lecture, and then eventually you're going to see it on clinical placements as well. So attacking the same piece of knowledge in at least three different scenarios in a slightly different way is one of the ways that you're going to really build up a robust map of knowledge rather than it just being based on one thing that you read in a textbook. But specifically related to flashcards and MCQ-based learning that you can be doing just by yourself, there's a way that you can really use this to your advantage. So traditionally, the way that people have studied with spaced learning is to organize their flashcards or their multiple choice questions into a series of 5 boxes, whereby the first box represents things that you're struggling with, and these are the cards that you want to practice perhaps every day. Moving along to the fifth box, things that you're quite good at, and that's the box that you want to be practicing much less frequently, so perhaps just once a month. As you're going through the cards that you've got to practice, if you answer a question correctly, you want to move it back a box so that you're going to start seeing it less frequently and it's going to be more of a challenge the next time. And conversely, if you get it wrong, then you want to bring it forward a box so that you're going to be seeing it more regularly. And then over time, the idea is that you'll be moving various cards back into the later boxes as you're getting better at them and you need more of a challenge. So that's the way that people have traditionally done spaced learning. Obviously, with mobile devices and the cloud and the internet, you don't necessarily need to manage that box anymore. So apps such as Synap or Anki and SuperMemo will let you access content, whether it's multiple choice questions or flashcards, choose which ones you're studying that year, so perhaps focusing on the preclinical questions if you're in year 1 or year 2, and then over time, Synap in particular sort of learns about what you're doing well and what you're not doing well, and manages those boxes for you so that all you need to do each day is just open the app and take the 10 or the 20 questions that our algorithm has determined that you most need to take that day. So just in summary, spaced learning is one of those things that is really intuitive and people sort of really understand is essentially like common sense. The more you see something, the more likely you are to remember it. But there is also a bit of theory behind it, and it's something that with minimal effort getting set up, either creating your boxes, downloading Synap, or accessing one of the other apps, you can really start to take advantage of, and you'll start to see benefits in your revision habits and in your exams really quickly. So thanks for listening and good luck in the rest of your course.